Investing in stock market is not a get rich quick scheme. I want that to settle in because, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be having this conversation about, can you make money in the stock market? What is it all about when we are talking about investing in the stock market? And that is why I'm starting a 100K stock market challenge where I'll be sharing my journey through this investment. So I'm going to be selecting around 4 or 5 stocks using this cash, and I'm going to give you the analysis, how I pick the stocks and the performance of my portfolio. That will be very important because you can be able to see behind the scenes, how is it done. Now, most of you are here and some of you have reached out to me. Alex, I bought this X company shares. How can I make money from this share? All right, so you don't buy a product then think of how to use it. So just like when you go to the market, you first want to research on this product. Is it the best useful product? For example, if you're buying a phone, you're going to research on the brand, the features, how reputable, what are the customer reviews before you settle on that phone. When you go to the stock market exchange, to the stock market, you need to understand the companies that you are buying, the shares. You need to understand, what do they do? Are they profitable? Who runs the company? Are these company stocks overpriced? Am I getting the best deal out of the market? These are very, very important aspect of the stock market investment. And now you need to know, why am I investing in the stock market? There are two goals that you can have. All right, I'm getting into the stock market to one, I want to have capital gain. I want to buy these stocks at a low price, then sell them later at a high price. That is number one objective. That is one way you can benefit from this. You buy low, you sell high. That is what is called stock trading. Now the other option is, I'm going to hold these stocks because I'm interested in cash flow. I'm interested in dividends. So you're going to go in the stock market and identify stocks that give good dividends. So that at least if you have an average of 8%, 7%, 8%, you'll not be worried about the fluctuation of the stock price. So what will worry you is this company giving, does this company has a good history when it comes to this dividend payout, because you need constant cash flow. So very good if you want to invest in the long term and you want to hold your portfolio for a long time and be enjoying that cash flow. So those are key aspects you can benefit when you invest in the stock market. So we will be diving deep. There's so much information out there. People are telling you, you can become a millionaire if you invest in the stock market. Do this, just go buy this stock, and you go blindly and buy that stock. That is a mess up. Now, another additional thing. Now it's very easy currently to access the stock market. Earlier, we used to open a CDSC account. You had to go to a broker, select a good broker in the market. Then you open a CDSC account to help you access the stock market. That has been eliminated. Now you'll be using ZD Trader. ZD Trader is just right in your M-Pesa app. You just go to M-Pesa app or you download it from the Google Play. It is there. Go to the financial services, see ZD Trader. That is where you can be able to access. Registering is very easy. You follow just step, accept terms and conditions, and you are right in the market. You can buy even one stock, right? So that is a platform I'll be using in my 100K challenge. Very easy access, transferring money to the platform, free. If you sell shares, money just get to your M-Pesa directly without any charges. And also the commissions, the brokerage commission is quite relatively low compared to the stock market brokers. So this is a training ground that you can use to know how the stock market works and to initiate your skills, so that by the time probably you'll be needing a broker account, which I doubt you'll be needing, you'll have learned how the stock market works. Alex Mwangi is my name, and see you in the next one.